Most people use regular map apps for cycling, but here's the surprising truth. Those apps are designed for cars, not bikes. Today we're reviewing CoMaps and whether it's actually useful for cyclists. CoMaps is a mapping app focused on outdoor navigation, especially cycling and hiking. It offers offline maps, route planning, and elevation tracking. The biggest advantage is offline access. You download maps before your ride and navigate without internet. This is critical for long trips or rural areas. CoMaps shows bike-friendly routes, including trails, bike lanes, and low-traffic roads. Most people get this wrong, but avoiding busy traffic is more important than saving time. The app also displays elevation profiles. This helps cyclists understand climbs and plan energy usage. Another strong feature is customization. You can choose road cycling, mountain biking, or touring modes. Now for the downsides. The interface is not as polished as mainstream apps. It takes time to learn. Route accuracy depends on community data. In some regions, maps may be incomplete. It also lacks real-time traffic updates. So who should use CoMaps? It's ideal for cyclists, bike travelers, and adventure riders. But if you only ride short urban trips, regular map apps are enough. The surprising truth about CoMaps is that it doesn't make rides faster. It makes them safer. And for cyclists, safety is the ultimate feature. If this review helped you ride smarter, subscribe for more honest app reviews before trusting your navigation. Title start Momondo flight booking platform review usage experience title BNE script start Most people think all flight search websites show the same prices. But here's the surprising truth. The way a platform searches can completely change what deals you see. Today I'm sharing my real usage experience with Momondo and whether it's actually useful for booking flights. Momondo is a flight search engine, not an airline or travel agency. This means it scans hundreds of airlines and booking sites to compare prices in one place. Instead of checking multiple websites manually, Momondo does it for you. The first thing you notice is the clean design. You enter your departure city, destination, and dates, and results appear quickly. What makes Momondo different is how it displays information. Instead of just showing the cheapest option, it highlights the best balance between price, duration, and convenience. Most people get this wrong, but the cheapest flight is not always the best deal. A $1.20 cheaper ticket with 2 long layovers can cost you an entire day. Momondo ranks flights using a best score that considers travel time and stops. Another strong feature is flexible date search. You can view prices across an entire month, which is powerful for budget travelers. You won't believe what happens next. Shifting your trip by just one day can sometimes save over 40%. Momondo also shows mixed airlines. This means your outbound and return flights may be from different carriers, which often creates cheaper combinations than booking round trips directly with airlines. Now for the downsides. Momondo doesn't handle bookings itself. When you select a deal, you're redirected to another website. This adds an extra step and sometimes leads to price changes. Some third-party booking sites listed may have weaker customer service. This isn't Momondo's fault, but it affects the overall experience. There are also limited filters for things like seat type or baggage rules compared to airline websites. So who is Momondo best for? It's ideal for travelers who care about price, flexibility, and comparing the options. But if you want full control, loyalty points, or premium service, booking directly with airlines may feel safer. The surprising truth about Momondo is that it doesn't sell flights. It sells visibility. And in travel, visibility is how you avoid overpaying. If this review helped you book smarter trips, subscribe for more honest travel tools before you spend your money.